Hello dear friends, this is the introduction for probability and statistics for engineering student, and I am Mohammad Momenzadeh, PhD in applied mathematics and computer science. Indeed, this is the first video for this course, and we try to introduce the probability and statistics for engineering students. In this course, as you can see over here, we have some course description that describe that what we're gonna do in this course. We designed this course. Indeed, this course is designed for engineering student, and we started with probability, discrete random variables, and probability distribution. It's an important part of the probability and statistics, and this is the beginning of starting by this type of the things, and we continue by continuous random variables and probability distribution and joint probability distribution and random sampling and data description. So in this course, by starting to understanding the meaning of the random variables and the probability distribution, you enter to the world of the probability and statistics. And later on, with the joint probability distribution, we will extend the knowledge of distribution to higher dimension. It's important to understand that this course is designed for engineering students, and this joint probability distribution can be easily omitted from this course, and the remaining parts can be useful for the remaining people or a student who interested in this course as well. The course objections also is written over here, and the textbook as well, or references for this course. I just put 3 references over here. You can see the references over here, but the main references that we use it in this course is a probability and a statistics for engineering and scientists. The second one over here, which is written by Mayers. So the course content, as you can see, can be seen over here, and it's listed over there. It contains the joint probability distribution, statistic intervals for a single sample, and so on. And the method and technique used in this course is a communication and writing method in the class. And we just use our tools over here. I mean the PowerPoints and also the light pen to describe the contents of this course. At the last part over here, we can see the topics and activities, and we start our discussion by data and all kind of the frequencies. We will discuss about the different type of the frequencies, the cumulative frequencies, and so on, and the table of the distributions for the data measurements and collection of data are described at the first video, which is coming later on, and the different type of the measures as a mode, mean, median, quartiles, and intermediate quartile range, and plotting the diagrams are the second videos over there. Later on, as you can see over here, we have the counting axioms, which is a part of the combinatorics. It's a part of the mathematics by itself, and the rules of counting, that axioms and set theory, are also can be considered as a separated course. But over here, we just discuss about this type of the thing in one lecture, and later on we will discuss about the sample space and probability. Over here we establish the basis of the probability, and later on we will discuss about the additive rule. Over there we will discuss about the union and intersection of events, and also the additive rules will be discussed. And at the next step we will discuss about the base rule. It's a center and the core of this course, which is used in data analysis. Several professionals use this type of the rule as well. It's very important and very simple. We will discuss about it later on in the videos. And after that one, we will talk about the random variables and different type of the random variables and the probability distribution functions and which we can actually summarize it as a PDF, the probability distribution function, and discrete and continuous variable distribution, and so on. And at the next step, the joint probability distribution will be discussed. So this joint probability distribution is designed for only engineering students, and we will use the double integral to calculate the joint probability distribution. And after that part, we will discuss about the expected value. At the expected value, we have a lot of interesting topics that included the topics about the gambling, and we will give you some example about the gambling parts and how the casinos rule on. We will discuss about that things, and at the end of the day we will introduce different type of the distribution, such as uniform distribution, binomial distribution, hypergeometric, geometry, Poisson, and different type of the continuous distribution as a normal distribution, and estimations. So we will summarize all of this type of the distribution in one diagram, and you can see the differences and how can we use them, how can we distinguish between different type of the distribution, and all of these things will be discussed in this course. At the end of the day, you will see a picture that's created by the AI in this course in any part of the discussion. If it's necessary, we will use some AI tools as well. So I hope that we will have a good journey in this type of the course. Thank you for your attention.